Come test drive the 2010 Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, power steering, tachometer, electronic brake force distribution, airbags, passenger occupant sensing deactivation, roll stability control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.